Okay, for today's vlog, let's talk about automated trading. Let's talk facts. Automated trading or EA, expert advisor, hindi siya magic button na instantly makakapag-print ng money for you. It is simply a system that is actually programmed to follow rules without emotions, without hesitation, 24/7. But here's what many people don't understand about EA. When your EA earns 10% in a month, it means it has the potential to lose 10% in a month as well. Because trading equates to risk. So ako, I've been in the automation for like 5 years already. I've been using it consistently up until today. And one thing I learned, number one, it's just a tool. It's not a guarantee. So you're mad na nasunugan yung EA. Kasi you thought for the past 8 months, it has been performing well. And then on the 9th month, bigla nasunog na siya. Because you thought that the money is guaranteed, that the profit is guaranteed. And you're so mad kasi hindi mo winidraw yung profit mo for the past 8 months. Just because you're too greedy. Kasi number 2, it amplifies your strategy, not your luck. So now, it requires monitoring, optimization, understanding of market behavior. So now, before you copy any EA, you have to ask yourself then, do I understand how it trades? Do I know its drawdown limit? Am I ready for both wins and losses? Kasi yung automation is very much powerful. But the thing is, are you ready with the risk involved? Kasi I've tried like several EAs already, like more than 20, 30 EAs na ata. Ilang beses din ako nasunugan. But I'm okay with it kasi it's part of the risk. Did I blame anyone? No. Did I blame the developer? No. That is why ako kapag may EA, withdraw ko agad. Pag may profit ako for the first month, withdraw ko yan. Second month, withdraw ko yan. Ang ultimate goal ko doon is mag-risk-free ako, mag-ROI muna ako. And now, may mga nakikisakay, nakikihype. Sa social media, galit na galit as if directly involved or affected ka. When in fact, nakikisakay ka lang naman sa hype. Kasi you want to gain attention. If you really wanted to address mga scammers, dapat ang pagtulungan natin na alisin dito sa lipunan ay yung mga nang i-scam. Nagagaranti ng mga profit. Niloloko yung mga kapwa Pilipino nila. Hindi yung magko-content ka kasi sikat yung content creator. So you will start bashing her. So you will gain attention. You always have to remember that trading always carries risk. That is the nature of the market, whether manual yan or automated. What I'm sharing is what I'm currently using, and I do not promise anything easy money, but to educate, to document, and to show transparency in my trading journey. And if you have been truly in this space, you would understand that no EA, no trader, and no system that is actually risk-free. That is why we teach risk management and realistic expectations. Walang pantasya dito. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi naman masama yung may EA. Actually, yung mentor ko, si Coach Edsel, sobrang useful ng EA niya. He has this like over 10 EAs na profitable, but ang profit lang na nasa 2%. Pero enough na yung 2% niya, like 20,000 per month para dun sa bills niya, sa kuryente, para sa groceries, para sa tuition fee ng mga anak. Bawat EA meron yan delegated na trabaho to pay something. And it helps him to have more time with his kids, more time with his family, more time with his wife, to travel. Kasi it's automated, it's completely hands-free eh. Pag nasunog ba account niya, magagalit ba siya? Hindi. Kasi alam niya involved na risk doon. Nakakatulong ba sa kanya? Yes. Hindi masama ang EA. Basta marunong ka gumamit. Ang masama, yung gusto mo kumita ng mabilis pero ayaw matuto. At the end of the day, the trader, not the tool, makes the money. I'll show you one of my EAs. Kung papansin nyo ito, this is FX Denily. Kung mapapansin nyo, isa to sa mga binash din before, okay? So it has been running for more than a year. Yan. More than a year na, guys. And kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung performance niya. It has been consistently profitable. However, last November, last year, ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng negative 6%. Ngayon, kung ngayong October, ito, bumagsak to at masunog bigla, pero it has been profitable for the past 9 months or 11 months, magagalit ka ba sa akin na kinopya mo to? So, imaginein mo kung nangungopya ka dito for how many months, you already have a total income of almost 15%. What if masunog nga ako ng October biglang nag-alboroto yung gold, biglang feel ko na bumagsak, ayoko na mag-all-time high. Eh yung EA nakaprogram siya na mag-buy ng mag-buy sa all-time high. What if ina-follow lang niya yung rules? However, yung market hindi naman niya i-follow kung ano yung gusto ng EA. Ngayon magagalit ka sa akin kasi kinopya mo ako. Para lang yan sa classroom. Magkatabi tayo. May exam tayo. Ngayon, yung mata mo, andun sa test paper ko habang nag-exam tayo. Habang ako sinasagutan ko yung aking test paper, hindi bumabor sa akin. Yung naging resulta ng exam. Masaklap ng ngopya ka sa akin. Ngayon, magagalit ka sa akin na kinopya mo yung exam ko? Kasi bumagsak ka din? You have to accept the risk. Hindi yung mag-aalburuto ka at gagamitin mo yun against me. At the end of the day, bakit mo susukatin yung galing ng isang trader based sa mga nag-run na system sa account niya? So now, kung mangungopya ka, syempre do diligence. Tignan mo ano ba yung risk involved. Like ito, ano ba yung risk ko? Meron akong 2 na risk. Ibig sabihin, mababa yung risk ko. Hindi ako nagdo-drawdown masyado. O yung income natin, masyado mababa lang yan. 1% lang nag-range, diba? Willing ba ako? Ito lang yung income ko. O pwede ka naman mag-diversify kung gusto mo iba, di ba? Meron ako dito, isa pa, legendary trader. Kung mapapansin nyo, dito lang tayo ng October, yung nag-all-time high. September, October, tayo umangat. Pero the rest, yan, may maliit lang, may mga loss, di ba? And yung risk involved ko is nasa 7. Are you willing to take this risk na 7 out of 10, di ba? In exchange of this result. O kung ayaw mo tagalalaga niya, edi pwede ka pa maghanap ng iba. Ang dami dyan na magagaling, di ba? Yan, mga popular. Ayan, marami rin dyan pwede kayong kopyahin. Na, ito, sikat din to sa Trading S Capital. Ayan, so magaganda rin mga resulta nila. Mababa yun is, diversify niyo yung kinakopy niyo. I mean, ang dami niyong option. Dami niyong pwedeng gawin. But, tuturuan naman kayo kung paano kayo maghahanap ng mga pwede niyong i-copy, diba? Kung paano niyo siya i-qualify. So now, if you're gonna ask me kung ano ba okay, mag-automated trading ba o mag-manual trading, alam niyo guys, wala pa rin katumbas yung meron ka knowledge. Okay mag-invest sa EA, okay maglagay dyan, okay alamin yan. However, mas okay pa rin talaga kung knowledgeable ka sa trading. Naintindihan mo yung technical analysis, naintindihan mo yung paano gumagalaw yung chart, paano nag-move yung price, paano gumamit ng mga indicator, asan yung mga support and resistances, and alam mo rin magbasa ng fundamental analysis, nagbabasa ka ng mga news, anong epekto nito sa global market. Iba pa rin talaga kapag may knowledge ka. Yung EA is just a tool to automate everything that you know. Now, kung wala kang alam tapos nag-automate ka, then wala rin siyang saysay. You just wanted to print money and make money easily. So now, if you're not willing to invest time to study and learn, then do not expect na may papasok na pera sa'yo. Siyempre, money requires skills, time, effort, dedication, commitment. And if you're not willing to give that, do not expect something in return. And now, pag may pinasok ka na bagay, tapos hindi mo nang pala naiintindihan, and then yung naging resulta hindi maganda, isisisi mo sa iba. When in fact, dapat sisihin mo muna yung sarili mo kasi hindi mo inaral. Yun lang.